Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a logo for your own business. In Fiverr or Upwork, we see that the freelancers who are the logo designers take lots of money. So, but we don't want to lose any money because we are a starter. To design our own logo, we can use Canva. I have a previous video where I designed a book cover using Canva. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo. So uh, you can watch the whole video to see. So when we will log into Canva, we will see this dashboard. Uh, we have to create design. Click on create design. Now search in this video logo. Uh, you see there are some options, which is basic logo, Twitch logo, YouTube channel logo, badge logo, education logo, lots of logo you can use. Basically, they are same actually. So let's click on logo, the basic logo. So to design a logo, we have to choose a template from here. We don't have to, but it's a better practice to use one of their logo. The templates available, lots of templates available here. See, there are thousands of pre-made templates, and they are regularly updating these templates. Uh, you might not find this logo after 2 days or 4 days. They update these templates very frequently. So I recommend to use one of their templates. So now, for example, our product is earring. See, lots there are 4 templates. Or suppose we have dress, our product dress. You see, you'll find some logo related to dress. Now we can choose, for example, this one is pretty good. We can choose this one or which one, and this one is also pretty good. Or this one also very good. See, you can choose any of them. Now we can change this. For example, our shop, the name of our shop is beauty. Oh my god, we can change like this. I think it was a very small letter, right? You can choose the letter again and again. You can back down this design. Okay, let's say the name is creative. Creative. Creative shop or creative Oh, see, now you may change this. If you don't like this, then just delete it by clicking on the delete button. Now you can go elements, choose an element like, you just search and type on gar. Now you can choose anything from here. For example, I choose uh, this one. No, it's not so good, right? I think it's not looking so good. Okay, but you will find something, right? If you don't like it, you can choose this one. Okay, maybe here, right? Or maybe this, like this, right? Maybe like this. So it will be a good uh, creative logo. You literally do that. If you want to make the whole things look bigger, just drag and drop like this. See, looks good, right? I mean, you can also put down this. Looks good. There are lots of elements out there, so you can, or you can do like this, like just smash down the tip top of the eye. Just do it. It's creativity. It's your own creativity, and you like that. Okay, now I can delete others. See, it's a beautiful logo for your business. Now I can click on share. Okay, and download. Yeah, and now you can click on transparent. Anyway, these options for the Canva Pro, but anyway, I have it, so no worry. It's it's done. It's a very beautiful logo. I'm not praising myself, but it is indeed. Okay, so this was pretty much everything that I wanted to show how to create a logo for your own business. If you click it, it also can be counted as a very good logo, right? So yeah, that's it. Okay, so I will show you another thing, uh, show something else in the next video. Maybe how to create what can I show you in the next video? I can show you group work, resume, flashcard. You can comment in the section in this video which one you want to see. Then I can do it. Okay, bye bye.